Hey guys, Bonnie here, and today I'll be discussing with you the easiest way I found to get the seasonal ritual weapon Ascendancy in 4 easy steps. Now, to follow these steps you don't have to be a good PvP player. As you can see in the background play, I'm a rookie when it comes to PvP and enjoy the PvE side of the game much more. Before we start, a couple of things to note here. 1. It's bonus Valor points in Crucible this week, and 2. Iron Banner is here. Go get your bounties from Lord Saladin and jump in. Okay, step 1. Get yourself a streak. The goal here is to get 5. This could be done by just playing Iron Banner node. If you want this streak to continue running hot, unfortunately it means you won't be jumping into anything else for a while. However, you can go to the tower to see vendors and get bounties and go back into the activity without losing your streak. Bonnie, I've got my streak to 5. Now what? Step 2. All you need to do is play Iron Banner and focus on your bounties. Win, lose, or even tie, you still get Valor points. This is because of the bonus Valor points this week and the streak you have going on. With this, you'll be getting to the Legend rank in no time. But you don't need to reach Legend to get the ritual weapon. It's actually the rank before that, which is Mythic 3. Here's a quick tip. Playing by yourself and choosing the freelance node might prove beneficial, as this will put you up against solo players only. It is also how I'll be playing Trials of Osiris next weekend. Step 3. You've reached Mythic 3. Now you have a choice to make. Either keep playing and reach Legend rank, or go get the weapon you've been waiting on for over a week. Well, you don't have to choose anymore. As I said before, you can actually pick up the weapon from Shaxx and go straight back into the Iron Banner without losing your streak. Last step, and maybe the most important one of all. Step 4. Comment down below if you found this video helpful. Most people watching this probably won't, so I'll settle for a like and a sub if you haven't already. Thanks for listening, enjoy your well-earned weapon, and until next time.